This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to get Claude dark mode. So I'm right here on Claude, logged into Anthropic Claude. You can see it says back at it, Matthew. Right at the bottom is what we need to do to find these options for dark mode. Come down to the bottom, it'll either be a picture of yourself or your initial. You can see that I have the M right here. So once that's open, right at the top we have settings. Let's click on settings. And now from here, general settings is the one we want. That's open by default. We come down to preferences and we have the appearance preferences here. Now there's a few different modes. We've got the system mode here. We've got light mode, which in my case is the system mode. And then we have over here the dark mode. So that's the one that we want. You want dark mode for the purposes of this video. Let's click that. And instantly, just like that, we've now got dark mode. It's now nighttime. Dark mode is activated. Let's X out of that. You don't need to save anything as it's instantly activated, but everything has gone dark. We are now in dark mode. So hopefully you found that video useful on how to do dark mode on Claude. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.